I've researched the best food for running. So this is something that you're gonna have to play around with. I'm running 8 miles. I'm actually using the Runner app to train for this half marathon. I don't follow it to the T, but I try to be as close as possible. I'm on week 3. Last week was supposed to be 3 runs, but instead I did 2 runs and I did a whole half marathon. I'm already behind. So we're gonna do the long run today and just get ready for that. If I can preserve this hair one more day. Yesterday I did my whole hair routine and I put rebalancing serum on my head. It doesn't look oily, but we're gonna see. I have some breakfast. I like to keep it simple for my breakfast before running. I usually do a rice cake, peanut butter, banana. If I'm feeling wild, I put a little bit of honey. Or sometimes I'm just lazy and I eat a full banana with honey. I've researched the best food for running. So this is something that you're gonna have to play around with. Let me bring up my Notion. Before I tell you a few ideas of what you should be eating before running, you have to understand that you need quick digesting carbs for your runs. Now, I'm not a nutritionist and I'm not a personal trainer, but I was a personal trainer 12 years ago. Now I'm trying to research the best things that I could put into my body so I can get the best result. The biggest misconception is that carbs make you fat, but that's not true. Carbs aren't gonna be the source of energy for your runs. So it's gonna help fuel your muscles, and you don't have to be stuffed, but you do have to have something for your muscles. Here are a few that I wrote down and I've been trying. Like I told you, banana with nut butter. I like doing that. If I do rice cakes with banana, I do half of the banana. Something easy that my husband was eating when he was running was just toast with jam or toast with honey. He also likes Greek yogurt with granola. I personally don't, so that's his type of snack. Little oatmeal cups, I feel like I can do those, but not often. You know, the little pre-made ones? I forgot the brand. They're at Walmart. Bagels, I love bagels. Again, I try not to have them in the house because I just overeat. That's what is gonna be making you gain weight. The overeating and the overconsumption of calories and not the actual carbs. They usually have half of it with something on it. Peanut butter, honey, whatever. Waffle. So depending if you're an ingredient junkie, take a look at the ingredients. I usually like to shop at Sprouts, but my guilty pleasure is those the cinnamon bites. It's so good. Usually top it with some strawberries or something like that. Something that would be really delicious, if you have any friends that bake, tell them to make you some banana bread. I have a few and I love when they give me. One easy thing would be the little mini muffins. I saw them at Walmart, but I don't remember if Sprouts had them too. I would say have about 30 minutes to be able to digest your food. Some people say 60, but I mean, ain't nobody got time. Right now, I'm just gonna get ready, make my rice cake, and by the time I drive, then I'll be able to be digested and all. Don't be fooled by the common misconceptions when it comes to carbs making you fat. And I get it, that's what we've learned for so long. So many people on the keto diet, no, carbs are not bad. Let me finish getting ready so we can go run these 8 miles.
Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget.
So what would you eat before you would work out?
The things I was strict about, my pre and post workout supplements, that stuff I was always really, really good at. Nitric oxide, pre-workout, amino acids
during,
and creatine and protein after. At nighttime I would do ZMA and all the stuff that promotes growth hormone so that you produce all the natural recovery. Find something like a simple carb.
You know what's crazy? In the running community, they are all about carby things.
Yeah.
Because you have to.
Yeah, you do have to.
And I think that's why I love running, because I can eat all these carbs and candy and all.
Yeah.
And dude, it's literally the best.
I think in Fremont, in my Fremont days when I was a trainer there, was a lot more raw. But I think when I was at San Leandro training with James and some of those guys, then I started doing
More carbies.
But I remember I would do like peanut butter or jelly sandwiches, fruit, sometimes both. But it wouldn't be like a turkey sandwich. It'd be like it'd be like jelly, like something that's like a simple sugar.
I think that I've
long time ago.
had a better relationship now with carbs. Like, and not that I haven't before, but just learning running stuff. It's been helping me. Like, dude, it's fine. Eat the freaking bread. You don't have to eat all of the bread.
Yeah.
But eat the half bagel. I'll have it for lunch today.
Bad.
No, it's not.
It's not fresh anymore.
Baby.
What are you saying, Malia?
Why was that so perfect? You're so silly.
Yes.
Steady.
Yeah. Okay, and four.
Good job. Now what?
Brown sugar.
Dang. Did you cook that? Who cooked it?
Me and Dad.
Let's go run 8 miles, even though I'm not in the mood. My husband is chilling with my daughter, and I wish I could just hang out and chill with you. He never gets to chill. The plan this week is 8 miles, 5-mile tempo run. The other one, it's like 6. I was psyching myself. I still consider myself a newbie. I've only been doing this for 6 months, so I need somebody to tell me how much. If it was for me, I would probably not do the split that it's telling me to do. Another thing is that my friend just texted me and she said, let's do a half marathon a month. So I think I am going to do that. May, I think I'm going to do the Bay Bridge. June is San Jose half, and then we can figure out the rest of the half marathons for the year. 11:29, mile 2. I did have to pee. I took one of my gels and it's helping. We'll see. 12:25, mile 3. Gonna go another way. Explore a little. Mile 4, 12:46. Hunger. I don't want to force these 8 miles if it's not gonna happen. I'm already headed back. So tired. Even if I don't do the 8, I've got 2 miles left to my clock. Done with the run. I did not complete the 8 miles, but I'm so proud of myself for even continuing. There was a point where I could have turned around, kept going. I went the longer way. I need to listen to my body. I'm not gonna ego run, and that has been a trend lately. Like, I have to run faster. Like, for what? All I'm doing is training for me, my own pace. I get it, like getting better, but I need to relax. I'm not gonna ego run. I know my habits. I know I want to catch them before I go into a burnout rabbit hole, and I don't want to burn out with this. I want to keep going, so it's fine. 6 miles it is. I'm gonna go eat. I'm so starving. It's literally 1 o'clock. I have so much to do still, like laundry. Me and my husband are doing goal setting party today. Nerd life. Spend time with my kid.
Take it away, feeling too good to me.
New
Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room.
Look at that.